is going on, YouTube family? Welcome back to another episode of... Nah, I'm just playing, man. I'm not gonna do a review in my car. Come on, guys. Come on. But I am on the way to pick up this pair of Jordan 1s that I will be doing a review on. So definitely appreciate y'all for tuning in and watching. Definitely appreciate it. Also just appreciate all the love and support that I've been getting, that we've been getting from the start, man. I know I always say it, but I feel like I can never say it enough. You know what I mean? The way we've grown this channel to where it is today, it's like, it's crazy, man. It's crazy. So definitely appreciate it. So I have to give a little vlog-esque intro to the review. Hope y'all enjoy these sneakers. They're an old pair, but man, like what took me so long to get them? I don't know. Find out. Let's jump in. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Flight for Hype. That's right, baby, where we talk sneakers, right, man? It's your boy CJ coming at you guys with another sneaker to unbox. I just copped these. I teased these the other day on my IG and people were like guessing, going crazy, like, oh, what did you get? What did you get? People were asking me, but I wasn't giving it away. I kept my mouth zipped and locked just for this video. So without further ado, let's see the kicks, the Jordan 1s specifically, that I just picked up for a steal price. But before we get into that, you know what we do here. Pre-recording turn up. Let's jump into it.
With the gel, I got punished. Pulling up from for the truth. Wow, my niggas talking about recruit. I came from trap camp. I used to have those next in the cat. Mama couldn't tell me shit, what was my daddy? Look at my petty, I'm fixing on petty. I want the pussy the first time I met it. Don't give you no credit, you hit it spaghetti. I hit the brick, cut this brick with my daddy. Marry the money to...
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the Flight for Hype channel. Thank you so much for tuning in and just coming to kick it with your boy, man. Like I said, like this video description says, I got a brand new pair of Jordan 1s that I picked up, man, and it was a steal pair. Now, this is not a brand new Jordan 1, okay? This is a used pair of Jordan 1s, but I copped them because the price was right. They're 100% authentic. They're in great condition, so shout out to the person who sold me this pair. You know what, without further ado, let's just jump into it because I really know all of y'all are like biting your nails wondering, what Jordan 1s did this guy cop? Let's get it. Boom, boom, boom. Yes, guys, you see them, the Jordan 1 Crimson tints. Now, these originally dropped back in April 2019, guys. You guys already know what the price was, man. It was about $250 USD, so around 300 bucks Canadian. That's a very premium price, but I gotta say, man, the materials on this sneaker are very premium in and of itself. I'm just gonna put one down real quick. The materials on the sneaker is definitely very much premium. As you can see, you got that tumbling of the leather right there in the black. You got that nice crimson tint on the front toe box, matched all the way around to the heel and the upper collar. You have more of that black leathering all along the heel there too. Now, one thing that I do want to talk about, because a lot of people don't understand what tumbled leather is. Tumbled leather is a process that they put the leather through. It's usually the higher level of the leathers, and they actually put it into a wash with stone, which is why you get this nice tumbling kind of wrinkled effect all along the leather here. It's usually used for high-end clothing or high-end footwear such as the Jordan 1s. Some Jordans come with it, some Jordans don't come with it. But the ones that don't come with it, it doesn't mean that they're not a high quality leather. They just didn't go through the particular process that this pair and a lot of other Jordan 1 pairs actually went through. Just a little, you know, educational lesson for those who kind of get it all confused. So I copped these, man, for 300 bucks, guys. And honestly, once I saw it up, I just messaged the person. I'm like, yo, I'm gonna cop them. I went through, checked them out, made sure they were 100% authentic, because, you know, we don't buy no fakes here. We don't buy no fakes here. Nah, I'm playing with y'all. We don't buy no fakes, so real shit, real shit. But you know what, I copped them and I'm super happy with them, man. I don't really know what fit I'm gonna rock with these first, because at first pictures, I thought they were like super pink, but now when you actually get them in hand, they're actually like a peach. Kind of like a peach color, which is really, really nice actually, because, you know, I don't have a lot of pink clothing in my, you know, arsenal, but I'm definitely gonna get super creative with these. Speaking of getting creative, they do come with two different laces. Let me just show y'all real quick. You got the pink laces. Oh, that's a lot of light. You got the green laces right here, and you also have the pink laces. Now, I was gonna put the pink laces on them, but then I'm like, that's just too much, you know, crimson, too much pink all over. I kind of like the black. I do like the green though. I know it's like, what? That's such a crazy color combination, but crazy color combinations really challenge you to kind of upgrade your wear, try something new, and really elevate, you know, your look and your streetwear vibe in and of itself. And I feel like that's what we gotta do nowadays. We gotta try to, you know, elevate what our style is and how we dress and how we, you know, like to carry ourselves. So you know what? I might just put the green laces on these bad boys just to, you know, see and check the vibe on them. But other than that, man, I'm super happy with this pair. And I think this is like, this is what my, 1, 2, 3, this is my 4th pair of Jordan 1s. I have no OG colorways yet, you know, those prices are crazy. But, you know, I'm super happy with the collection that I have, very humbled. And, you know, I'm gonna continue collecting, but these ones definitely came, like, it was just one of those, like, shock purchases, you know what I mean? You saw it and you're like, yo, what? That's the price? Those are real, right? Make sure they're real, cop them. And I'm super happy with them, man. So without further ado, guys, let me know in the comment section below before we jump into the on foot. Let me know what you guys think about the crimson tints, guys. How do you guys feel about the colorway? How do you guys feel about the lace color, the options? You got the black, the green, and the crimson laces. I chose the black. I'm gonna stick with these ones for now. But if I do change them, I'm probably gonna go with the green just because it's a bit of a crazy color pop and I'm cool with it. So I'm just gonna rock with it as it goes, you know what I mean? But like I said, without further ado, let's jump right into the on feet, baby. Yeah.
Yeah, stack the money tall, back to ballin'. Yeah. Might have been round the whole globe and did a few laps and right back a whole time. She just been time in the hood and found nothing else is better than that side. I done went set up the jack and make sure the pack ain't gotta push back squad. Stuck at the top of the chain, the top of her brain can't fall off it one time. All my time be safe, how we live outrageous. We don't count the days, we just count the pavement. Just let that juvie play, she start rejuvenating. Alive at night we take everything we face it. We don't get no fuck, no. We don't get no fuck, we don't get no fuck, no. We don't get no fuck, out in public, and we rush it. Out in public, and we rush it.
Alrighty guys, hope you enjoyed that on feet look at the Jordan 1 crimson tints, guys. Like I said, they're not a new Jordan, but they're definitely one you can have in your collection and, you know, throw one anytime that you feel that you want to add a little color and pop to your style. And definitely this is a summer vibe, and you know, even though it's like dead of winter, I know summer is right around the corner. And man, I can't wait for it. So, you know, I can't wait to pop these out in the summertime. The black and the crimson pink, man, these are crazy, man. I definitely appreciate them. But shout out to you guys for coming through and just kicking with your boy and just talking sneakers. I definitely appreciate it. Leave your comments in the comment section below, guys. I definitely want to hear back from you guys. If you are new to this channel and you love sneakers, if you are new to this channel and you love everything about the sneaker game, fashion, sneaker reviews, on feet reviews, and even some, you know, exclusive tracks from my boy JXS. Y'all didn't know he an artist. Yeah, he an artist. He got some tunes, man. I ain't gonna lie. If you all like all of that, if you like this video, if you like the feng shui and everything that I'm talking, make sure you smash that subscribe button, guys, because it does help us go a long way on our YouTube journey. We definitely appreciate it. We've come so far, guys. And you know I say it every video, but I'm definitely very humbled and definitely very appreciative of everyone who's been rocking with us from day one. And you know, not a lot of people know everything that goes into making a YouTube channel like this. It's a lot of hard work, a lot of sacrifice, not just financially, but just sacrifice in general. And you know, we love talking about sneakers, and especially the way the world is right now. We need some, you know, fun, relaxed, you know, content out there. So definitely sneakers kind of give us that joy, that warmth that we all kind of need right now. So definitely appreciate you guys for just vibing with me and just kicking it. Hope you guys appreciated this video. Hope you guys are like, what? I can't believe this guy just copped these. That's crazy, that's crazy. Definitely appreciate it, guys. Other than that, man, it's your boy CJ. Thank you for tuning in. We out.